Hello students, in today's session we study about web applications unit 2 and our today topic is online transactions. Online shopping is a form of electronic commerce where customers can buy or sell goods over the internet. Mean to say with the help of online shopping websites we can sell and buy products easily. For this an internet connection is required for viewing goods and services offered by a seller and customers can pay online using a credit card, debit card, or by internet banking. Online shopping could be useful in situations when a customer does not have sufficient time, visiting a store is more expensive, and a product or services that is not available in the local market. Some of the popular online transactions websites are: first is IRCTC. It is used for booking flights and train tickets. Flipkart, it is used for buying customer products. eBay, it is used for buying and selling goods. Redbus, it is used for booking bus tickets. To perform an online transaction, a web browser and active internet connection is required, and for purchasing goods, you will require credit card, debit card, or internet banking services. Then, some websites even allow cash on delivery services, mean to say user can pay after receiving the product. Next is online transactions using Flipkart. In this section, you will learn to perform an online transaction using Flipkart. Flipkart is an online store where you can purchase a variety of goods, books, accessories, digital cameras, mobile phones, etc. Then, for this, Flipkart offer multiple payment methods like credit card payment, debit card payment, net banking, e-gift voucher and cash on delivery services, etc. To work with Flipkart, you need a web browser and active internet connection. Then, for this, open any browser such as Mozilla Firefox, Google Chrome, and Internet Explorer and type www.flipkart.com in the address bar and press enter. You can also download Flipkart app from Play Store. Then, a web page similar to the one below will be displayed. To perform transactions using Flipkart, you need to sign up from a Flipkart account. For this, firstly click on sign up button, then fill your email address, password, and again repeat your same password. Then email address will be used as the login name for your Flipkart account, and then password. You must secure your Flipkart account by giving a strong password. Mean to say, in your password you use alphabets, numbers, and special symbols. Then click on sign up option. Then once you have signed up successfully, a window similar to the one below will be displayed. Then see figure 31. In figure 31 we have all categories option. Suppose if you want to purchase an camera, then click on all categories drop down arrow, then click on cameras option, then number of cameras with their model name will appear. Select any one camera which meet your requirements and then click on it. Suppose if you want to purchase this camera, then click on buy button. You can also select one or more products before you proceed to payment. Products added to your shopping cart will be available for review. Then, Flipkart allows a variety of methods for online payment. You can use credit card, debit card, net banking, cash on delivery, or e-gift voucher to complete the payment. Suppose if you want to payment through debit card, for this, firstly click on debit card option, then fill your ATM address, then fill your name, then fill your ATM expiry date and fill security code and click on submit button. After clicking on submit button, you will receive an OTP number on your mobile phone. Then fill your OTP address and click on OK. With this, your payment will be successful. Next is online transaction for booking rail tickets. In this section, you will learn how to perform online transaction for booking train tickets using IRCTC. Indian Railway Catering and Tourism Corporation is an online portal that can be used for booking travel tickets. To work with IRCTC, you need to use a web browser and active internet connection. For this, firstly open any browser such as Mozilla Firefox, Google Chrome and Internet Explorer. Then type www.irctc.co.in in the address bar and press enter key. A web page similar to one below will be displayed. See figure 33. To perform transaction using IRCTC, you need to sign up. Then for this, click on sign up button. Then when you click on sign up button, then sign up window will be displayed. Then fill the details. For example, first name, last name, gender, date of birth, Aadhaar card number, email ID, mobile number. Then also fill your address and fill some characters. See, then click on submit. Then once you log on IRCTC, you can use the website for booking tickets. See figure 35. Suppose if you want to find the trains, for this, firstly enter the city name in from and to box, then select date, then select ticket type and select quota and click on find trains option. Once you click find trains, list of available trains with tickets availability will be displayed. For this, see figure 36. Then once you have to fix a date that is convenient for travel, you can proceed to book the tickets. Then once you book the ticket, an electronic copy of the ticket will be displayed on the screen, and additionally the ticket will be mailed to the email address specified during registration. Then after that you will print the ticket